Okay, watch the bag. Watch the bag. There you go. You wouldn't want to walk down the stairs. That would suck. Sorry, Air Canada. This is a fail. That one looks heavy.
I'm good, thank you. Do you have any peanuts?
I'm sorry?
Peanuts?
That's a heavy one. I don't want to walk all those stairs. There we go. Oh, good thing my computer's in there. How many bags have we watched so far? 6, 7?
Oh, I've seen at least a dozen drop.
A dozen down. One more just for proving we're making this up.
So you sure you're good for headphones for the movies?
Better put
He's
I'm good, thank you.
he's putting some more padding in there?
Yeah.
The heavy one? No, we're good. We're having too much fun over here. So you got some padding in there. Yeah, I gotta hit the padding. Good call. All right.